करती हूँ।
Very good.
This call is now being recorded.
मैम
Come on,
मैम
let's
मैं
start
कुछ
our
बोलती
class.
हूँ for myself.
Okay, let's start our class and then we'll talk. Okay? Yes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Oh. 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 Sairam.
सायरा मैम
Sairam बेटा. अंशुमन ने तो मुझे कल फॉर्म भेज भी दी सर्कल पर लिखकर. ठीक है, आप भी लिख देना बेटा. व्हील, ट्रेन, एनीथिंग दैट यू विश टू टेक इन विच यू फाइंड सर्कल. गॉट इट? सर्कल उसमें दिखाई देता हो, चाहे वो व्हील हो, चाहे ट्रेन हो, चाहे बस हो, चाहे उसके बारे में कि हाउ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और अर्ली मैन स्टार्टेड यूजिंग व्हील. किसी के भी बारे में आप इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करके फिर भी पोम बना सकते हो. ओके, वेरी गुड अंशुमन. चलिए,
थैंक यू मैम.
first, who will be the first to tell the story? Who is going to tell the story, narrate the story?
नमेश्वर मैम.
Aishwarya. Okay. Okay, Advita is also ready. Aishwarya?
यस मैम.
Okay, come on. After Aishwarya, Advita. Okay? Okay, Advita? Yes, Aishwarya.
Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty.
Just wait a little. Which story you have to learn?
He crow.
Huh?
He crow.
From your book, course book. From your course book. थर्स्टी क्रो तो पूरा हो गया, छोटे से सुनते आ रहे हैं. आई डोंट वांट दैट स्टोरी बेटा. आई वांट स्टोरी फ्रॉम योर कोर्स बुक. कोई भी टेक्स्ट. ठीक है, हमको कोई ऐसी बच्चों वाली स्टोरी अभी नहीं, कोई भी नहीं सुनाएगा. आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट दैट. एंड व्हाइल नरेटिंग योर स्टोरी यू शुड कीप योर कैमरा ऑन. मुझे आपके एक्सप्रेशंस भी देखने हैं. यू नीड नॉट टू रीड इट फ्रॉम समवेयर. आपको पढ़कर नहीं सुनाना है, आपको सुनाना है. ठीक है, और जब आप सुनाते हो तो आपका जो मॉड्यूलेशन है, उतार चढ़ाव दिखाई देता है. आप पढ़ते हो ना तो आपका पूरा फोकस नीचे रहता है. आई वॉन्ट योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन ऑल्सो.
मैम क्या अद्विता?
और मैं कहीं पे भी आपको टोकूंगी नहीं. थोड़ा सा गलत भी हो रहा है तो आई विल नॉट माइंड इट ऑल. ओके, सो डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दैट कि मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ या बोल रही हूँ. आई वॉन्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. आई वॉन्ट टू सी योर कॉन्फिडेंस. गॉट इट? ओके, कम ऑन. यस बेटा रिद्धिमा.
मैम we got marks.
हाँ, you'll be getting marks for this. ठीक है, ओके. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you मैम.
Om
Shri Sai Ram. My name is Advita Nimje and today I am going to tell you a story about Little Fir Tree. Once upon a time, the magician named Shetty was returning his home. Suddenly, the rain came heavily and he looked around for shelter. Suddenly, he saw a little fir tree. He ran under it, and very soon the rain stopped. He said thanks to he said thanks to fir tree and also asked to uh, uh, to give to give 4 wishes. Then little fir tree said, "My first wish is that I want green leaves like others." The next morning he saw the green leaves like his friend. But suddenly one goat came and ate all the leaves and ate all the leaves of fir tree. The next wish is that I want gold leaves. The next morning he saw gold leaves. But suddenly two men came and stole all the leaves of a fir tree. And the next day, his third wish is that I want silver leaves. I want glass leaves. The next morning, he saw glass leaves. Then evening, the wind blew very fast, and all the glass leaves were broken. Then he was unhappy. Then he, his fourth, his fourth wish is that I want my original leaves. The next morning, he got surprised because he, uh, he saw his original leaves, and he became happy again. Thank you.
Very good. Well done. Good.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन।
Yes. What question you want to ask?
मैम हमें कोई बुक की स्टोरी ऐड करनी है, उससे रिलेटेड स्टोरी बनानी है।
आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, आप उस स्टोरी को पढ़कर अपने शब्दों में सुनाओगे। यू हैव टू स्पीक इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज यूजिंग योर ओन वर्ड्स।
मैम
ओके,
पर मैंने तो अपनी रिलेटेड स्टोरी बनाई है चैप्टर में से।
कोई बात नहीं, आप उसको सुना दीजिए। यस, हु इज हरिया who wanted to
Monica.
okay, yeah, Monica, yes, go ahead.
Om Shri Sairam. My name is Amolika Sharma, and today I am going to deliver you my own story from Going to Buy a Book. Once upon a time, there is some friends. The name of a friend is Reena, Ria, Ramesh, and Rahul. And there is team also. The name of a team is Friends Forever. In Friends Forever team, the all friends love to read books and storybooks. One day, our friends decided to go to a bookshop. Then, after some hours, all friends got some rupees from piggy bank. Then, all friends after few hours, our friends are confused to which one I have to buy. Should I buy a moral story? Should I buy a magic book? Should I buy a comedy book? Should I buy a fairy tale? So all friends have decided to which book I have to buy. Reena buy moral story. Ria buy fairy tales. Ramesh buy moral book, and Rahul buy comedy book. And after some days, all friends are happy and read books happily. Thank you and Saira.
Very good, well done. Yes, who else?
Ma'am Advika.
Okay, Advika.
Ma'am
Yes,
Akshita.
okay, yes, come on.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I am Advika Nitin Nimji of class 4th B. Today I am going to perform
Going to
a
narrate.
story, Scholar's Mother Tongue. A,
Yes.
a learned and scholar Pandit came to Akbar's court once, and he was known for speaking many languages. He speak the language so fast as anyone can, and as anyone cannot recognize what he is speaking, and everyone failed in its challenge to find out its mother tongue. And but Birbal accepted its challenge, and one night he went to Pandit's home and tickled a feather in its ear, and then Pandit screamed loudly in its mother tongue. And next day he came to Akbar's court, and he told about yesterday's incidents, and then he said that Pandit mother tongue is Telugu, and then Pandit accepted its challenge, it and Akbar appreciated it. Thank you.
Well done, beta. Wonderfully you
Ma'am,
explained. Yes.
ma'am, ये रिदमा can tell.
Ma'am Akshita.
Akshita. Yes, Akshita. Yes, go ahead, beta. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Akshita Singh. Today I am going to recreating a story from my Marigold book. The title of the story is The Little Fir Tree. Once there was a magician named Shetty. He was coming back to his home, but suddenly it began to rain. It rained heavily. The the Shetty magician looked around for a shelter and he saw a little fir tree. Then he ran towards the little fir tree as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped, and the Shakti was glad that he did not get wet in the rain. Thank you. You have been kind to me, said the Shakti magician to the little fir tree. Then he said that I would grant your 4 wishes which you ask. Then the little fir tree sadly said that I have needle-like leaves, so no birds ever made nest on me. So it said that I have leaves like my other friends. So he slept that night, and when he woke up in the morning, he saw that he had leaves like his other friends. Soon a goat came and ate all the leaves of the little fir tree. Oh dear, said the little fir tree, I have no leaves left, so I wish that I have gold leaves, so goats do not eat them. So that night it he has the gold leaves. Then next morning some men came and stole all the leaves of little fir tree. The little fir tree was unhappy. Then he said that I have gold leaves instead of the I have glass leaves instead of gold leaves. So that night he slept, and the next morning he had glass leaves. And next morning that night the wind blew hardly, and the all the leaves of the little fir tree broken, and he was very sad. So he wanted his own and actual leaf, that is the needle like leaf. So he tell the his last uh, wish, that is I need my own needle like leaves, so so no goats eat them, no man can steal them, the wind do not harm them. So he had the his needle like leaves. Thank you. The moral of the story is what we have to happy with it.
Yes, very good. We should be satisfied with what we have, already have. Okay, well done, beta. Good. Riddhima?
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
are giving marks on it.
Yeah, I'm giving marks.
Ma'am, what is my marks?
Actually, I am giving grades. Actually, I am giving grades. A plus, B plus, this way. Okay.
ma'am, me Ridhima.
Yes, Riddhima, beta. Come on.
Once there was a very beautiful.
Open your
Saira.
camera.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
camera is open. Saira.
Now
My
I can
name
see.
is Ridhima Rastogi of class 4-3. Today, I am telling you a story based on the little fir tree. Once there was a very beautiful country in Europe. The king of that country was very happy, kind, and wealthy. He had everything in his palace, but he was fond of gold. Once there came a sadhu. The sadhu became very happy to the with the honor of the king. At the time of departure, the sadhu asked about his fish. The king said that the thing that I touch it becomes gold. The sadhu said, "Okay, it will be." And when the sadhu go, he touched a tree. The tree became gold. He laughed loudly at tree. Ha 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 ha. Now he was thirsty. He go to the kitchen and bought some water, but the water became gold. Same same thing happens with the food. The food became gold. He was sad. Till evening he wanted to tell everything to his daughter. He he called his daughter, but in hurry he touched his daughter. Her daughter became cold. Now he was cried loudly. He called his soldiers to find the sadhu. Till night the sadhu came. The king said that I don't want this magic because my food, water, tree, and my daughter became gold. So the moral of the story is always be happy with your things.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, well done, beta. Yes, who else? Hurry up, hurry up. Come on. और कौन सुनाना चाहता है? जल्दी जल्दी. अरे तो मैं बुलाना शुरू करती हूँ फिर सबको. हाँ, यथार्थ, आर यू रेडी? यंग यथार्थ कहाँ गए? हरी अप. यथार्थ कहाँ? यथार्थ, कम ऑन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, ओपन योर कैमरा. हाँ, आपकी स्टोरी तैयार नहीं है क्या?
नो मैम।
तो लास्ट वीक दिया, क्यों नहीं किया बेटा? क्यों नहीं किया? यशस्वी, भेजना नहीं है, सुनाना है. ठीक है, देखना भी नहीं है, पढ़कर नहीं सुनाना है, बिना देखे बताना है.
यस मैम।
यशस्वी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
यस मैम।
हाँ, आपने तैयार किया है?
नो मैम।
क्यों?
मैम मैं
क्या हुआ यशस्वी? वर्तिका तैयार हो क्या?
मैं कल सुना दूंगी।
वर्तिका, उदिता, आर यू रेडी? चलो उदितिया को तो रेडी होगा. उदिता रेडी हो?
No, ma'am, I will tell you tomorrow.
ओके फाइन. सोनम, सोनम कल भी क्लास छोड़कर चले गए थे आप, मुझे पता है. सोनम आंसर करो, देखो फिर क्लास छोड़ दी. शांतनु रेडी हो?
Ma'am, I will try my best.
ओके फाइन, वेरी गुड.
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ, जस्ट वेट, लेट मी पिन यू.
Ma'am,
हाँ, यस.
I am telling about the story of going to buy a book.
ओके.
Once there were two children in a house. They loved a book. Once they want money to buy a book in the their father gave them money to buy a book. When they were enrolled, they think they go with a taxi or they go with the cycle. They decided to go with the cycle. When they reach there, they think they go in a big shop or in a small shop. They think to go to a small shop. They go there and think they buy a thin book or they buy a fat book or they buy a book of stories or they buy a book of pictures. They think buy a fat and a thin book of picture stories. When they go home, his father asks what you buy Sanu. They tell Kaina.
Okay, well done, beta. You tried your level best. Very good. Okay. Sanket, are you ready? Sanket?
Ma'am, can I?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
network
please. Just,
प्रॉब्लम की मैम वजह से मैम
हाँ कोई बात नहीं कोई ओके नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल बेटा अभी ये अंशुमन के बाद ओके आफ्टर अंशुमन यस अंशुमन कम ऑन बेटा
Kaira ma'am, I am Anshuman Malik. I am going to tell about the scholar's mother tongue. One day, a
ओके
learned Pandit came to Akbar's court and said that he is mastery over many languages. Mastery over many languages, and he can tell fluently all the languages. So he challenged everybody to guess his mother tongue. When everybody failed, Birbal took the challenge, and that night when the Pandit was asleep, Birbal has went into his room slowly and whispered into his ear, uh, and tickled with a feather the Pandit cried and shouted. Uh, the next day, Birbal went to the Akbar's court and said that the Pandit mother tongue is Telugu. Then Pandit has said, "How did you know that?" Then Birbal has said, when a person is in danger, he only speaks in his mother tongue. That's why. Ma'am, thank you.
यस वेरी गुड वेल डन ओके हितांश
Ma'am, please see in chat box.
हाँ आई हैव सीन इन द चैट बॉक्स बेटा
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
wanted to know your grades
Yes, ma'am. We all wanted
yes
to know our grades.
हाँ yes हितांश come on
मैम आप चाहो तो आप हमारे पर्सनल में भी हमारे ग्रेड आप सेंड कर सकती हो
अच्छा
मैम पर क्लास के एंड में आप बता देना
नहीं सबका हो जाएगा तो तब बताऊंगी सबका
समर्थ
नहीं असेसमेंट 2 तो अभी
मैम
स्टार्ट नहीं किया मैं आपको बता
का
दूंगी
है
असेसमेंट 2 में तो एक आपकी जस्ट वेट फॉर्म है जो अभी आपको लिखनी है ना इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच में आपको जो मार्क्स की मैम व्हील पे करा रही है सर्कल पे करा रही है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग ओके तो वो सर्कल व्हील बस ट्रेन ये सब उसी से रिलेटेड है पर उसमें व्हील सर्कल आपको डालना है ओके ठीक है चलिए हितांश रेडी रेडी हो? आपने बोला मैं सुनाना चाहता हूँ.
I am telling about the Nasruddin Inns. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. Nasruddin said, no one can match skill and strength. Nasruddin said. Nasruddin was laughing. Oh. One day, Nasruddin's friend was bow and some arrows, and he gave the Nasruddin. And he said, Nasruddin, you take this bow and arrow and shoot that target. Nasruddin shooted the arrow. Arrow was not hitting the arrow target. Nasruddin's friends was laughing. Ho. This is your target? Nasruddin said, no, this is not my target. This is your target. And Nasruddin was one more time shoot and one more time was not target to a aim, and Nasruddin was try one two time and Nasruddin was lucky. But they have right on that target. Everybody started at Nasruddin at their mouth was wrapped in the amazing. Nasruddin said, "This is my aim."
Okay, very good. Very good, beta. Yes, Samarth, beta. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. The little furry Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to run. It runned heavily. Shetty,
Samarth, just wait. I cannot see you, बेटा. कैमरा थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो. आप दिखने चाहिए. और आप रीड तो नहीं कर रहे? Are you reading from the book?
yes, ma'am.
बेटा हमको रीड नहीं करना है, हमें याद करके सुनाना है.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
हाँ, टुमारो रीड नहीं करना, ठीक है? रीडिंग नहीं करना बेटा. आपको जो स्टोरी पसंद आई है उसको आप लिखकर याद कर लो और सुनाओ, ठीक है? ओके बेटा? यस, ओके. हाँ, ऐश्वर्य, यस बेटा.
The little fir tree, Shetty the magician, returning home. When he was returning home, all of a sudden it began to rain. The rain heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter, and he saw a little fir tree. Shetty go to the little fir tree, and the rain stopped. Shetty thanked to the Shetty the magician came to the little fir tree and asked and reward him to ask for wishes. The little fir tree said to the magician, the I have my little like leaves, so the birds have no make her nest on me. So I will green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, he had the green leaves. The goat came along and ate all the green leaves. The tree said to magician, I have gold leaves. Next morning he had gold leaves. Man came along and stole the gold leaves. Next, the tree said to the magician, I had glass leaves. The night wind blow and all the glass leaves has broken. And the tree said to the magician, I had my own leaves, my needle like leaves, because goat cannot eat them. The wind will not broken, and the man cannot steal them. So I had my leaves. The moral of the story
Okay.
is accept the things as it is what will have. Thank you.
Okay, good. Good. Well done. Anybody else interested candidate? Okay. Now see, tomorrow you all have to speak. Okay. In the next week, I'm going to take your assessment. Now, just note it down. I'll send in the group also. First assessment is in MCQ form through Google form. It is based on applied grammar, means the grammar that you have read in your book in the exercises from first unit till 10th unit. बुक के पीछे जितनी ग्रामर दी हुई है आपकी बुक एक्सरसाइज में, उस एक्सरसाइज में से मैं कुछ भी दे सकती हूँ. ओके, वर्ड बिल्डिंग है, सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग है, ऑपोजिट्स है, एवरीथिंग. ओके, जो आपके 1 से लेके 10th यूनिट तक है. तो सिर्फ पीछे की एक्सरसाइज में जो आया है, जो मैंने कराया है, दैट आई मे आस्क. ओके, तो ये गूगल फॉर्म से है और ग्रामर का टेस्ट है. Got it? That is MCQ in MCQ form. एक आपका स्पीकिंग टेस्ट लूंगी मैं. स्पीच, I will give you few topics and you have to prepare on that topic, and जैसा आप कॉम्पिटिशन्स में बोलते हो सेम वे यू हैव टू स्पीक हियर. हमने बहुत बार किया हुआ है बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे. So it is easy for you to solve any of the topic. यशस्वी, स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. और तीसरा है रीडिंग टेस्ट. आई मे आस्क यू टू रीड द स्टोरी, एनी अदर स्टोरी which is not in your book, which may be in your book, and you have to read and you have to explain in Hindi. Got it? ठीक है.
tomorrow.
रीडिंग भी करनी है और जितना पढ़ोगे उसको. नो, नॉट टुमारो, नेक्स्ट वीक. नेक्स्ट वीक टुमारो तो ये वाला टेस्ट कंटिन्यू करूंगी मैं, स्टोरी टेलिंग वाला. ओके, स्टोरी टेलिंग के ग्रेड्स में कंटिन्यू करूंगी.
मैम कितना होगा,
और याद
तो ग्रेड बता दो.
मैम
आज तो हुआ ही नहीं, कल हुआ है ना, कल होगा पूरा बेटा. आई विल गिव यू ग्रेड्स. हाँ, आई विल टेल यू द ग्रेड्स टुमारो. ओके. हाँ, यस बेटा.
ओके मैम.
मैम आप ये सब कब पूछोगी जो अभी आपने बताया है सब ग्रामर का?
नेक्स्ट वीक, नेक्स्ट वीक
वाह
कल एक गूगल फॉर्म भी दूंगी मैं, ठीक है?
ओके
यूनिट 10
मैम।
का Pinocchio story का I will send a Google form also tomorrow. Or if you wish, I send in the WhatsApp group. What do you want? In the class itself you want to do, or shall I send it
In the
on your
class
WhatsApp?
itself.
Class.
In the
In
class.
the
Yes ma'am,
class.
class.
In the class.
The class.
Ma'am, in the class.
Ma'am, class.
Okay, I'll give in the class. Anybody else? किसी और को कहानी सुनानी है क्या? No. चलो, very good. Any other doubt? Okay, poem जल्दी से लिखकर मुझे send करना है, okay? Send your poems as soon as possible. You can draw picture also there. You can make recording while reciting your poem, okay? ठीक है बेटा? और टॉपिक क्या है? टॉपिक इज, व्हाट्स योर टॉपिक? सर्कल.
Circles.
Okay, related
Circle.
any other topic? हाँ, व्हील. ट्रेन में भी व्हील्स होती है, बस में भी व्हील्स होती है. इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील आप लिख सकते हो, लेकिन इन्वेंशन ऑफ
मैम
व्हील लिखने के लिए आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि कैसे इन्वेंट हुआ, उसको आपको पोम में डालना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन, कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन.
Ma'am, we have to write in A4 size papers.
हाँ, आपको A4 साइज होता है तो वो इजी हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू पुट एवरीथिंग इन दी पीपीटी नाउ. जो आप पोम्स भेजोगे, I'll make a PPT and on each slide I am going to put your poems which you will be sending me in written form. Okay, so you
Ma'am, can we only prepare on poems? Can we not prepare on stories?
Yes, Udita. Yes, only poems, beta. Udita, only poems.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, only poem you have to write, only poem. But you have to, like I told you, like if you are writing about invention of wheel, if you wish to write poem on that topic, then you have to collect information first and then put it in the form of poem. Yes, beta.
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग करके व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप में भेजना है.
नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग जब करोगे तो वो हमेशा पर्सनल विंडो पे भेजा जाता है बेटा, ठीक है? रिकॉर्डिंग कोई भी, जब आपको जो टेस्ट का टास्क होता है उस टास्क में कभी भी पर्सनल विंडो पे ही मुझे भेजा करो. आई प्रिफर दैट ओनली. मैं इजीली उसको देख पाती हूँ, दूसरे चीजों को नहीं देख पाती मैं, ठीक है? ओके. हाँ बेटा, जितने जल्दी हो जाए, हाँ 15 दिन में 10 दिन में आप जब तक लिख सकते हो पोएम, से टिल नेक्स्ट वीक. ओके, टिल नेक्स्ट वीक दैट मीन्स 12-13, till 12 date, till 13 date. As soon as you will write the poem, send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. I'll be putting in the PPT then. Okay?
Ma'am,
हाँ?
Ma'am, I am out of station when I am. Ma'am,
तो
when
poem
I am
लिखने
come home, when I am sent.
क्यों? पोएम लिखने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? कहीं भी लिख सकते हैं, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन में भी.
एक ही बार में सुन रहे हैं, ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है.
No, ma'am, we are traveling now.
So you are traveling. Where are you traveling? When will you come back?
के लिए भी थोड़ा सा मैंने कहा कौन से डॉक्टर
Ma'am, I'm not.
Huh? Today itself
Ma'am,
or
when I
tomorrow?
am.
You'll be back by.
Ma'am, when I am come. Ma'am,
बेटा,
when I
I
am
gave
come
you the
home.
time. हाँ, टाइम इसीलिए दिया आपको. Till 12 you have to send. Okay, till 12 next week. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ. Okay, let's do Shanti part. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Got it? And be prepared, be ready with your stories. All the students, those who have not participated today, okay? Come on. Join your hands and close your eyes for Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam.
Saira ma'am, thank you ma'am. Bye ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.